Pero ito naman mga boss, dahil nalalapit ng Oktubre, meron pong isang show dito sa Channel 4 na nagbabalik na magse-celebrate ng kanilang 4th year anniversary, ang Chinoy TV. Kaya naman ngayong umaga makakasama natin ang Chinoy TV host na si Willard Chua. Good morning, Willard!
Hello, good morning,
Hello,
Carla.
Good morning!
Yeah.
Ayan, so Willard, kwentuhan mo naman kami. Bago tayo magsimula at bago natin pag-usapan itong nalalapit yung anniversary, ano-ano ba ang mapapanood namin sa Chinoy TV, or what is your show all about ba?
Yeah, actually, Chinoy TV, is it's like a platform for us to tell mga kapwa Pinoy natin, more information and culture about Chinese.
Okay.
At dahil dyan, today I bring you something which is the mooncake.
Wow!
Ayan, kasi malapit na ang
Mooncake
Yes,
Festival,
Mooncake
tama ba?
Festival, or we call it Mid-Autumn Festival.
Yes,
Ayan, so
okay.
ito po ang mooncake,
Yes,
no?
thank you
Alam mo ba
so
bakit
much.
ang mooncake ay bilog? Dahil sa Mid-Autumn Festival, we celebrate parang it's like a harmony for the family and for all friends, parang ganun. Yun.
Ayan. Oo, ayan. So siguro, ayan, para tayong sa Chinoy TV ngayon. Ngayon, binigyan tayo ng onting, kumbaga, show ni
Yes.
Willard kung ano-ano ba yung makikita natin sa Chinoy TV. Pero ano-ano ba yung mga segments ng Chinoy TV?
Yeah, actually sa Chinoy TV, we have more than 10 segments. We do profile, we feature people, okay? Chow, which is, ito ang favorite segment ko, puro mga restaurant, mga
Wow,
pagkain.
favorite ko din yan.
Ayun. At we have active, so more on mga sports and yun, mga activities, and access and style, of course, mga fashion, and travel. So, almost every month, we go to different places. Like yung nakita natin kanina, yun, dyan po ay nasa Catanduanes.
Wow!
Yes. And of course, we teach Chinese, mga basic Mandarin sa Chinoy TV.
Naku, Willard, turuan mo nga ako. Paano ba yung good morning, boss, in Chinese?
Ayan, good question. Okay, good morning in Chinese, it's Zao An.
Cao An,
Zao An, yes. And boss naman is Lao Pan.
Cao An, Lao Pan.
Lao Pan, very
Wow.
good. Palakpakan natin si Carla. Wow, galing naman.
Thank you.
Fast learner. Yan. If you wish to learn more, actually, you can watch our show. It's every Sunday, 10 a.m. Yun,
correct.
para mas marami ka matutunan dyan sa show namin.
Pero Willard, balita ko ay mag-celebrate kayo ng inyong ika-4th anniversary. Ano bang dapat namin i-expect?
Yes, actually, our 4th anniversary, this coming October 10. So, well, one of the most anticipated parts will be ang aking bagong partner,
Oh,
okay, which is
sino?
isang napakasikat na volleyball player. She is none other than Miss Gretchen Ho.
Wow! Naku, sigurado akong maraming nag-aabang at misalong maraming manunood yan dahil naku, si Miss Gretchen, napakaganda at napaka-talented ng
Yes.
babaeng yan.
So, aside from that, marami pa tayong mga line-up for the activities.
Yes.
Yun.
Ayan. So siguro, Willard, invite our viewers at meron ba kayong upcoming events?
Yeah, so we'd like to invite all the Chinoy Barkada at mga friends from Good Morning Boss. Please watch our show. It's every Sunday morning, 10 a.m. No, it's a 30-minute show. So from this show, you can learn so many things about the Chinese culture and lahat na po about the Chinese community. Yun.
Maraming salamat, Willard, and happy anniversary in advance.
Thank
And
you.
also, welcome back to Channel 4 sa Telebisyon ng Bayan. Maraming
po.
salamat also for your time again. That is Mr. Willard Chua of Chinoy TV.